Hello guys, today I've got a product from Kemimoto. It's a UTV bar clamp gun mount, and so we're going to open it up here. You have two Allen keys, and then you have your first mount, which it comes, there's your bar mount, and then here's your where you'll set your gun or whatever, and then you'll buckle that over. But we'll get to the install, and then you have another one in the bottom here. Remember to go to kemimoto.com and use the code RyanOffroad, no spaces, and you'll get 10% off. Okay guys, with the big Allen key that they give you, we're going to separate the mount itself from the bar mount. So just going to put that on there, give her a good tug, and then you can just back her all the way off. It's got a lock washer on there. So just back these apart, make the install a little bit easier, and then we're going to grab the smaller of the two Allen keys it gives you, and then we can separate the bar mount itself, get that on there, loosen that off, and then you can probably grab it with this end, give it a twist, separate these two, and then we'll move over to the razor and throw this on there. So take one of your mounts and two of the smaller screws that we pulled off, and then you're just going to install these on your bar mount wherever you'd like. I'm going to go on these back bars on my XP Turbo because I'd want the gun here and I don't have any room up there or anything like that, so we're going to go right here. Go. Okay guys, so now we're going to take the longer bolt and the mount, run the bolt through into this nut that's welded on the back side of the clamp, and we're not going to tighten it completely yet because you're going to want to set your gun in there and align it before you tighten it completely. Okay guys, so now that we've got the gun in place, we're just going to tighten these up a little bit because you have your place set. Tighten that one. Just give her a quick old righty tighty. Okay guys, so you can also throw items like a shovel in here, and you're just going to tie it down same way, but you could throw, like I said, this in there, pack something in there so that this puts pressure on that to keep it from rattling around. Alrighty guys, so the install is complete on these 1.75 adjustable gun mount bar rack deals. So we've got these rubber things that hold it in there really well. See, it's tight on the last one. They're kind of tight to get off, which is good. You don't want them slipping off, right? And this thing is sturdy in there. Now, I don't know if you are going to be wanting to actually put yours like this, but I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes because I don't have anywhere else on this thing. Like, I can't mount them here because of my stereo. See, it would conflict, so I put them back here. But as you can see, very nice install on these. Holds it in there super tight. If you're looking for a way to just carry your gun, you know, I obviously would make sure you have a waterproof stock and barrel, and make sure your scope is covered and everything if you're going to be transporting it like this. But also you could transport it like this if you're just going out in a dry field. Maybe you could put one on each bar on a 1000, or the 900 of course would work along this pillar, or whichever one really it fits. But this is just to give you a good idea of what these look like installed. Very nice, clean install. They're very tight. So you just take that off, take this off, then you just give her a wiggle. It comes right out. So set that to the side. Yeah, so we've got these adjusted, which are super adjustable with this because this is pivots. As you can see there too. Got it all tightened up. Very sturdy on there, and I don't even have them super tight yet. But so yeah, you basically keep this hardware loose and this hardware loose. Tighten this one first, sort of like put the gun in here. Tighten this one, your main bar clamp first, and then put your gun or whatever you're transporting in these holders in there first. Get your angle right, because see, I have them angled this way up a bit because then it won't ride on down here. And yeah, this foam they've got in here provides a non-scuff surface for your gun or whatever you want to put in there. And then you have these awesome, really strong rubber clamps that just pull and they go right on like that, which is a really good tight fit over the top if you don't have something that's bigger hanging over like this. Okay, perfect guys. Remember to use the code Ryan Offroad on Kemimoto.com and get yourself a set of these if you're looking to transport your gun and your razor. You could also modify one to maybe grab this bar honestly right here and then have it right here, or maybe right here would be thick enough. You might have to just shim it underneath to get it around here, and then you could honestly just stand your gun up in there like so. Like you could stand it up like this, and that would work too. You could use both mounts like that honestly, and that would be